Hello, teacher.
Hi. Oh, good evening. Can you open your camera for me? Wait, let me try to request you open your camera. Oh, there you are. Hello, good evening. What is
How are
your
you?
name?
How are you?
I am Alf, but you can call me Teacher Alf.
Okay.
What about you? What is your name?
My name's Lum.
Okay. Hello, good evening. Nice to finally meet you. Oh, by the way, can you tell me what did you do in the morning?
I studied Vietnamese.
Oh, nice. What about in the afternoon?
I studied. I studied English.
Oh, okay, great. And now you are studying English again.
Yes.
Okay, great. You have a very productive day, Lam. Did you eat your dinner already?
Yes.
Yes, you did. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat rice and fish.
Okay, and I hope you're full. So, are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Okay, that is good. Now, let us have this one. Okay, so we'll have lesson 19. We have here home and family. But we have here a picture, Lamb, and I want you to tell something about it. What can you see here?
I can see a bird. I can see a bird. She is on the cloud.
Hmm? What is he doing?
She is sleeping.
Yes, very good. And then, yes, we can see that he is sleeping on the cloud. Maybe he has a very nice dream. Do you dream, Lamb?
Okay.
Do you dream at night?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay. What was your dream last night? Did you dream last night?
I dream play football.
Okay. Do you like playing football?
Yes.
Who's your favorite football player? I only know two. So is it Ronaldo or Messi?
Ronaldo.
Oh, why Ronaldo?
Because he play football very well.
What about you? Are you good at playing football?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, nice. Do you play football every day?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay,
Yes.
that's great. Okay, well, anyway, Islam, talking about vocabulary, we have here words that we can associate or connect with a girl sleeping on the cloud. What does it mean when we say woman?
Woman.
Yes, woman. What does it mean when we say woman?
Woman
What is woman?
is here.
Yes. Can you use your pen? Yes, that's right. So when we say woman, it is a person who is, of course, a female and an adult, just like your mom. Okay, she is a woman. Okay, yes, just like here, the girl sleeping on the bed is a woman, an adult
Okay.
girl. Okay, a female. What about dream?
Dream is when I
When you
sleep.
when you sleep, and then what happened when we sleep?
We see something.
Okay, yes, we visualize something. Or it could as well be something that we want to do, something that we want to get or achieve in life. What is your dream job, Lam?
My dream job is football.
Oh, you want to be a football player. But what about jobs like being an architect, doctor, nurse, pilot? What about that?
Football player.
You really want to become a football player. I see. Okay, so you want to be like your idol, Ronaldo. Now, what about bed? What is a bed?
We can sleep on the bed.
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, so it is a furniture where we sleep on. Okay, that is correct. Do you have your own room, Lam?
What again?
Do you have your own bedroom?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay, nice. Now, what about cloud? What is cloud?
Cloud is white.
Okay, yes, the white one that we can see in the picture. Okay, so it could be gray as well sometimes, right?
Yes.
Yes, especially if it's about to rain, the cloud will turn gray. Okay, so it could be white or gray mass in the sky that is made of vapor. Now, what about sky? What is sky?
The cloud is on the sky.
Yes, that is correct. Indeed. Okay, so it is the space above the Earth surface. Yes, that is correct. Okay, the one that you have encircled, Lam. Great job. Okay, you're pretty smart in defining words. What about pillow?
Pillow is the our head is on the pillow.
Okay,
Our head
yes.
is on.
Yes, the girl's head right now is on the pillow. Okay, so it is a cloth bag that is filled with a soft material and is placed under the head when we are sleeping. Okay, very good. Now, what about high?
High is tall. Tall is tall.
Mm-hmm. It is tall. Okay, yes. It is a being on the upper part of a scale. Yes, it is very tall. Okay, it is in a high position. Okay, very good. Now, what about white?
White is a color.
Yes, white is a color. So, talking about colors, Lam, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue
Why blue?
because blue is very nice.
Okay. It's good for to look at just like the sky or the ocean, right?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Now what about deep?
Deep. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, you don't know this one. Okay, so when we say deep, especially if we'd say the patient is in a deep sleep at the moment, it means someone is sleeping very well that it is difficult to wake them up. Okay, they are in a deep sleep. Okay, wait, let me translate it for you. Okay, deep sleep. Okay, this one.
Giấc ngủ sâu.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
now, next one, we have blue. Oh, your favorite one.
Yes.
Okay. What blue things do you have at home, Lam?
It's here. Blue.
Okay, what is that? What is that? A crayon?
No, it's ink. It's ink.
Oh, it's an
Ink.
ink. Okay, it is an ink. What favorite thing do you have that is blue? Oh yes, it is an ink. A blue ink.
Pen.
Okay, pen. Okay, nice. So you can study. Okay, thank you, Lam. Now, what about a color that you don't like?
Comfortable.
What color don't you like, Lam?
I don't like orange.
Why don't you like orange? I thought you love lively colors. Why don't you like orange?
Because it's ugly.
You find it ugly. Okay. Direct. Okay, next one we have comfortable. What is it?
I don't know.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. So when we say comfortable, Lam, it means it is providing you comfort or relaxation. Okay, you are not feeling nervous. Instead, you feel at ease. Okay, comfortable. Wait, let me translate it for you so you'll understand it better. Okay, this is
Thoải mái.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, that is it. And last one, we have sleep.
Okay. What about
Is when we
at home.
okay, yes, it is when we rest and we close our eyes and our body is still. Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
I play football.
Oh, you play football in the afternoon. But what about after eating? Do you sleep in the afternoon?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. Just at night. Okay. I really want to play football. Thank you for that. Now, next one we have here, Father's Day. You celebrate Father's Day in Vietnam, right, Lam?
Yes.
So what did you give to your dad last Father's Day?
But in Vietnam don't have.
Oh, you don't have it?
Yes. In Vietnam has Women's Day.
Oh, just Women's Day. You don't celebrate Mother's Day and Father's Day.
Doesn't have.
Oh, okay. I see. But you also...
Or his birthday.
Oh, okay. Just your dad's birthday.
Yes, it's
Oh,
Vietnam has birthday dance.
okay. So what did you give to your dad on his birthday?
I give test.
Okay, why did you give it to him?
It's test.
A test? You give your dad
Yes.
a test? Why?
Yes, 10 points.
Oh, okay. So you give him your test paper wherein you got a perfect score. Okay, I see. Okay, did you give flowers or maybe a gift to your dad?
It's
Is
test.
this your gift? Is this your gift to your dad?
I give chess.
Oh, okay. That's very unusual, Lam. Okay, but for sure your dad is very happy, which means you are performing well at school. Do you like giving gifts?
Yes.
What gift did you receive on your birthday?
On my birthday,
Yeah.
I give my
What did you receive?
chess.
Okay, wait. I think I need to translate it, Lam. What gift did you receive on your birthday?
Is
What gift did you receive? A cake?
ball.
Oh, a
Ball.
ball.
Yes.
Football.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Who gave it to you? Your mom or your friend? Who
I,
gave it to you?
on my birthday, don't have friend
Oh, you did not invite your friend? Why?
because my friend don't know my house.
You should have told them. You should have told them,
Yes.
Lam. When is your
Yes.
birthday?
They don't have present. They don't have
Oh,
present.
that's why. Okay, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on the 28th of February.
Oh, okay, so it's done already. I see. That is wise. But at least you receive a ball. And I know you're happy because you love playing football. Okay, now let us have this one, Lam. What can you see in the picture?
I can see a dad, a boy, and a red dog,
What else?
and a ball,
What else?
a present, a present.
Yes, a present too. Yes, that is correct. So in here we have a picture of um the person and a dad, and probably it is the boy who drew this one together with his dad. See, it even says me.
Some
Okay.
old photos. Some old
Yes.
photos.
Yes, we have photos of them. Okay, so this is a very simple gift, Lam. Okay, so the boy drew a picture of him and dad. So with the picture, maybe mom helped him prepare for it and a small gift. Okay, so now let us have the vocabulary. Okay, what is a present?
Present when they give you something is
Mm-hmm.
present.
Yes, that is correct. Okay, so it is something that you give to someone, or another word for present is gift. Okay, what you usually receive on celebrations, like for example, birthday. Okay, now what about drawing?
Drawing is you are drawing on the drawing the picture. Is you.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that is correct. So it is a piece of art. Okay, a picture made using pencil, pen, or other tools. Okay, do you draw, Lam?
Yes.
Oh yes, you do. Do you paint?
Yes.
Do you have an art class?
What?
Do you have an art class?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. What else can you do, Lam? Can you swim? Can you play the piano? Can you play violin?
I can I can study English and math
What is your favorite subject?
and play football.
Oh, okay. So I believe your favorite subject is PE.
No,
What is your
my
favorite
favorite
subject?
is English and math.
English and math. Okay. Do you think learning English is easy, Lam?
Is difficult.
Or it's difficult? But you like it. It is your favorite.
Yes, it's very interesting.
Oh, interesting. I see. What do you find difficult about learning English?
What?
What do you find difficult about learning English?
It's about noun, adjective, adverb.
Okay, that is included in grammar. Okay, I see. But of course, if you continue learning, it will be easier for you. Now, what about, okay, going back, what is picture?
Picture is here.
Wait, I think I. Okay, yes, that one is a picture. So a drawing, painting, or a photograph. Yes, it is considered as picture. This one too. Okay, what about sun?
Son is that's son.
Okay, yes, he is dad's son. So it is a boy or a man in relation to his
Yes.
parents. Okay, yes, very good. What about daughter?
Is the dad have girl.
Yes.
That yes.
Yes. Yes. Daddy's girl or a girl or a woman in relation to his or to her parents. Okay, that is daughter. What about Thai? Hi.
Is on the I don't know is on the neck
Okay, yes, very good. Oh, you know it. Okay, yes, it is what we use for
when
formal clothing. Yes, that is worn around
when
men's neck.
go go to the company go to the
Yes,
company
going to the company or meetings. Okay. Yes, very
when
good.
I meeting important people important
Okay. Yes, exactly. That is right, Lam. Okay. Now, talking about that, can you tell me what is your mom's job?
my mom is a office worker.
What about your dad?
So my dad is a office worker.
Okay. Do you have siblings, Lam?
My dad work at a factory mill.
Do you have
mill.
siblings? Do you have a sister or a brother?
I have little brother. Little brother.
Hmm. Oh, and you don't have a sister.
Yes, I don't
Oh,
have.
okay, okay. So you are the oldest. Okay. Thank you for sharing it, Lam. Yes, Lam. I can't hear you clearly, Lam. I think it's your connection.
Okay.
What do you want to say,
Me,
Lam?
I can't hear. Okay, please.
Okay, you can't hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me now? Okay,
Yes.
I think your connection is a little unstable, Lam. That is why, okay? That is why you can't hear me clearly. But that is all it for our class tonight, Lam. Thank you so much and have a restful evening together with your family. Goodbye, Lam. Be safe, Lam.